Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Auto. So this video is just about what the YouTube interface looks like on this Model S here. This is a 2014 Model S, obviously with a portrait screen, and this has got the MCU2 Upgrade, so it introduces that theatre mode. So in this video we're just going to look at what YouTube looks like. So originally this car had the MCU1 computer, and you can't use the theatre mode on those, so you don't get Netflix or YouTube. But I paid to have the MCU2 Upgrade, which upgrades this screen and the computer behind it. So this is running the version 11, where you get the tiles at the bottom of the screen, and we can go into the theatre mode here and we can select YouTube. And when you do that, your main dash screen goes blank because you're unable to drive. It also turns off the dome lights as well, so you get that sort of cinematic feel. You sit here in the dark. The other thing to add is it does sound really good because all your sound is coming through, obviously, the speakers. You get that nice almost surround sound effect, and it is quite impressive sitting here watching Netflix or YouTube. So the interface is the typical YouTube interface. Unless you're signed in, you just get a sort of an account with the car, so it builds up history and suggested videos based on what you watch. You can obviously sign in. I haven't signed in yet on this car. So you've got a standard YouTube interface. You've got a menu here with all your options. We've also got some shortcut searches here. We can also go to search, and I'm going to put Go Green Autos in, and we've got ads, so it all looks exactly the same as it does on a computer. But let's just go to, hi, it's Matt here from it just turned down the volume. So this is your volume control at the top. It's a bit small, but yeah, it looks no different to a computer interface. It does look rather good. They've got all the formatting. Well, this is obviously looking at the Go Green Autos YouTube channel, so lots of EV videos here, but let's just select one of the later ones, and this is what it looks like. So obviously because we've got a portrait screen, we're only going to get a section of the screen that is actually playing the video, and then we get all the other information underneath like you do on a computer. You can full screen it, which basically just blanks off the bottom. There we go. So yeah, it just puts the same size image in the middle of the screen, and you just lose the information behind it, and we can go back like that. So yeah, that's what it looks like. We've got volume control at the top. We've got brightness control. We can also still adjust the temperature of the car. You've got a back button here, and at any time you can hit the X, and that closes it down and brings your dash back up and turns the car back on. We've also got voice search, which I haven't used, so let's just see whether that still works and it's using the microphone in the car. Fully charged show. No, didn't do anything. Sorry. Go to your browser and allow to access the microphone. Yeah, so that's not going to work because this is just obviously using the browser interface. But yeah, it's a very nice thing. I use it quite a lot. Let's just go to news there. Yeah, it works very well. It's very handy if you're charging and you want to kill 15-20 minutes, then you can just call up something on YouTube. I often just bring up the news like I've just done, or what I find now as well is if we're out and about, my partner's doing some errands or shopping or something, I will quite often now sit in the car, whereas previously I didn't. And it's quite handy to sit in the car and catch up on something I want to watch rather than traipsing around the shops. So yeah, it's a handy thing, and I'm very much glad that I did pay for the MCU2 upgrade to bring this feature into the car. And then when you're finished with it, you can hit the X in the corner and your dash comes back up, and we're back to the normal interface, and the car is now ready to use. So as always, if you found this video useful, please do click that thumbs up button. It really does help other people find the channel. Also subscribe if you haven't. Look at the back catalogue of videos on the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.